Florida's fight against COVID-19 is taking lives every single day, including members of our law enforcement. How agencies are trying to keep their officers alive in a second, but it is hard to escape this virus because it's everywhere across our state. We broke another record for new cases this week, 151,749. That's 250,000 cases in less than a month that we've seen in Florida. But there's still a fight over masks in schools, and today parents and their lawyers in favor of districts having a choice. They beat the governor in court. A Leon County judge saying Governor Ron DeSantis cannot stop schools from mandating masks and that his executive order is unlawful.
It was madness that we even had to sue the governor to get to this place. But I mean, we did, and we prevailed, and thankfully the facts mattered.
So what this means is that DeSantis won't be able to punish the 10 districts already mandating masks, which includes Hillsborough and Sarasota. But as 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell explains, the governor isn't giving up.
Parents suing the governor over his mask mandate ban were victorious in court on Friday. So what's next?
And we fully expect them to appeal.
He's right. A statement sent to us from the governor's office said in part, quote, "We will continue to defend the law and parents' rights in Florida and will immediately appeal the ruling to the First District Court of Appeals, where we are confident we will prevail on the merits of the case." We caught up with Lauren DePaola, a member of Moms for Liberty, a group that has been outspoken about mask mandates in schools. She says she doesn't think the judge made the right decision.
There's always been the ability for parents who choose to have their children's mask for safety to be able to do that. But the courts are not recognizing the parents who do not wish to mask their children, who are seeing their children be harmed.
And the Florida Board of Education responding similarly. A spokesperson sent us a statement that said in part, quote, "We are immensely disappointed that the ruling issued today by the Second Judicial Circuit discards the rule of law." The governor signed the Parents' Bill of Rights into law this summer to help protect the mask mandate ban he would later issue in an executive order. But it backfired when the judge cited the law in his decision, saying Florida does give parents the right to oversee health issues for their children, but that reasonable actions needed for the sake of public health are exempt. Parents on the winning side of this legal battle say they feel relieved that additional safety measures can now be put in place without consequence to district funding.
Everybody has both their personal liberties protected, but also we recognize that there's a greater community good to be served.
Okay, so now what for some of our local school districts? Well, Sarasota schools, remember they already had a mask mandate in place, just had to have a doctor's note to opt out. They told parents masks are still required. Pinellas schools, they said they're going to figure it out once that judge officially puts that ruling down in the books. Polk and Pasco, they're still making masks optional in their school districts. Quick update on what cases look like in schools so you know. Hillsborough says 5,510 students and staff have come down with COVID-19 since the beginning of August. Polk reported 1,170 positive student cases just this week, and Pasco reported 229 new student cases today alone.